Every week, a new AI tool promises to automate your business, create content in seconds, and save you hours of work. But here's the problem. Most of them look impressive on the sales page, then disappoint once you actually try to use them. So where does PublishClaw AI fit? Is this another overhyped AI launch? Or could it actually be worth your money? Let's find out. If you're running a blog, building affiliate websites, creating niche content, or trying to grow an online business, you already know the biggest challenge isn't getting ideas. It's turning those ideas into consistent, publishable content without spending hours every single day. And that's exactly the pain point PublishClaw AI says it wants to solve. But before you get excited, there's something important you should know. This isn't a sponsored video. And I'm not going to tell you this tool is the best AI ever. Instead, I'm going to break down what the product claims to do, where it could genuinely help, where you should stay cautious, and who it's actually designed for. Because that's the information I'd want before spending my own money. According to its official sales page, PublishClaw AI is designed to simplify the publishing process by using AI to help create and organize digital content. Rather than focusing only on writing, the platform presents itself as an all-in-one publishing workflow that aims to reduce repetitive tasks involved in creating digital materials. If that sounds useful, the next question becomes: does it actually offer enough value to stand out from the dozens of AI tools launching every month? That's where things get interesting. Now here's something that's easy to overlook. So the real value isn't replacing your creativity. It's helping you get to the finish line faster. And that brings us to the most important question. Who is PublishClaw AI actually built for? Is it a smart investment for affiliate marketers? A useful shortcut for bloggers? Or is it better suited to businesses that regularly create digital publications? Because a tool can have impressive features. But if it doesn't match the way you work, it probably isn't the right investment. Let's break that down in the next section. At this point, the biggest question isn't whether PublishClaw AI uses AI. Almost every new software launch does. The real question is whether it fits the way you actually work. Based on what the platform presents, it seems most relevant for bloggers, affiliate marketers, freelancers, agencies, and small businesses that regularly create digital content or marketing materials. If you're constantly publishing, saving time on repetitive tasks can become a real advantage. One thing that stands out is the focus on bringing multiple publishing tasks into one workflow. Instead of switching between different writing, editing, formatting, and publishing tools, the platform aims to keep much of that process together. For beginners, that could make the learning curve less intimidating. And for experienced creators, it may simply reduce the number of steps between an idea and a finished project. Of course, how much value you get depends on how often you'll actually use those features. Now let's talk about something that's often missing from sales pages. No AI tool is perfect. And PublishClaw AI shouldn't be viewed as a replacement for strategy or creativity. AI-generated content still benefits from editing, fact-checking, and personalization before it's published. If you're expecting a single click to produce flawless results every time, that's probably not a realistic expectation. The strongest results usually come from treating AI as an assistant, not as the final decision maker. So, is PublishClaw AI worth considering? The answer really depends on your workflow. If creating digital content is something you do every week, A platform that reduces repetitive work could potentially save both time and effort. On the other hand, if you only publish occasionally, you may not get enough value to justify adding another tool to your stack. That's why it's always better to evaluate software based on your actual needs, not just the excitement of a new product launch. After reviewing what PublishClaw AI claims to offer, I'd describe it as a workflow-focused publishing platform rather than a magic solution. The biggest strength appears to be convenience. Bringing multiple publishing tasks into one place could make content creation more efficient for the right user. At the same time, it's important to keep realistic expectations. You'll still need to review your content, make edits where necessary, and ensure the final result reflects your own expertise. Used that way, tools like this can become a helpful productivity boost instead of something you're relying on completely. If PublishClaw AI sounds like something that fits your workflow, I've included more information using my affiliate link in the description below. Take a look at the features, compare them with your own needs, and decide whether it makes sense for the kind of content you create. And if you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest AI software reviews focused on real value instead of hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.